Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Minister of Finance, Mrs. Fayval Williams, announced that Dr. Marlene Street Forrest, Managing Director of the Jamaica Stock Exchange, will not be leaving her job until the micro market is launched. This initiative was previously announced by Minister of Finance and the Public Service, Honorable Fayval Williams, while opening the 2025-26 budget debate in the House of Representatives on March 11. The JSE micro market will meet the needs of micro, small, and medium-sized enterprise in the 10 million to 50 million participating equity capital bracket. In regards to the pending retirement of Dr. Street Forrest, Minister Williams made remarks at the QAX Wealth Management Spring Investment Forum at the Terra Nova Hotel yesterday. In response, Dr. Street Forrest smiled. Minister Williams also welcomed the Rwanda Stock Exchange team on its training mission to learn from the success of the JSE, which was twice voted the #1 performing stock market in the world. At the QAX Wealth Management Spring Investment Forum at the Terra Nova Hotel yesterday, Minister of Finance, Mrs. Fayval Williams, and Dr. Marlene Street Forrest, Managing Director of the Jamaica Stock Exchange, encouraged investors to explore the direct market access, which allows the buying and selling of Canadian stocks by Jamaican investors. Currently, this international access is only offered by QAX Investments. We learn more. We're in a space where regional politics abound, and we're actually here at a QAX event. And QAX is one of the few places in Jamaica that you can buy Canadian stocks. So Doc, I know that's one of your brainchild. Can you give us just even a few words about why should Jamaican investors think about the Canadian market?
Well, it is always good to diversify your portfolio. You have local stocks. You can also take advantage and opportunity of Canadian stocks in a seamless way, such that you are able also to know what is in your portfolio and to value the portfolio.
Fantastic. Now, Minister Williams, taking an international approach, you have been known, your history is in the stock exchanges and in regional markets. What message would you have to investors that want to take advantage of opportunities even in this volatile time?
Well, it's often in volatile times that you find opportunities.
Yes.
And so I would say to investors, be in touch with your particular investment advisor.
Yes.
Who can help you to navigate these choppy waters. The worst thing that you can do is panic in this environment, so keep a cool head.
Yes.
Look at your options.
Yes.
And if you can invest more,
yes,
do so. If
yes.
not, you hold, you wait.
Yes.
There are many options for you right here, right now.
Thank you. So that was a very brief and condensed way, but listen, it's about reaching out to your financial advisor, and we have a woman who's on the verge of retirement, not ready to say where she's going, but her brainchild at the Jamaica Stock Exchange has birthed many investing opportunities, and I think that will continue, the legacy will continue. Thank you, Dr. Street Forrest. Thank you, Minister.
Absolutely.
Yes. For the trading period ending April 30, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Alternative energy provider Wigton Energy Limited with 10,741,887 units traded, representing 21.30% of market sales volume. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited US dollar shares with 6,434,630 units traded, representing 12.76% of market sales volume. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited Jamaican dollar shares with 4,890,914 units traded, representing 9.7% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On April 30, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US 58.71 million purchased and US 53.04 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.78 per dollar, selling the US at $159.46 and buying the US at $157.68. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $1.83 per transaction, with selling at $115.64 and buying at $113.81. The British pound yielded Forex traders $2.24 in profit, with selling at $212.91 and buying at $210.67. For our credit report tip of the day, when you understand the power behind your credit score, you stop leaving money on the table. You start making moves that not only save you cash, but also create more financial breathing room and long-term stability. Remember, wealth isn't just earned, it's leveraged. And your credit is one of the most strategic tools in your wealth building toolkit. Here are some ideas. With a better credit score that lowers your interest rate, you could finance home upgrades or renovations that increase property value. Another option is to purchase investment property with lower financing costs. When you are building something from nothing and moving from financial recovery to financial resilience, while many professional women over the age of 45 feel like they're racing to catch up financially, the truth is that resilience can be built at any stage of life. Financial setbacks, career shifts, caregiving responsibilities, or unexpected life changes can leave even the most capable women feeling behind their peers. However, the tools to recover and rise are available and more accessible than ever. By taking strategic action and leveraging their life experience, women in midlife can transition from financial recovery to sustainable financial resilience, securing not just comfort, but confidence in the years ahead. Here are some suggestions. Consider investing in professional development. Skills pay the bills. New certifications or courses can reposition you fast. Then create a cash flow board or vision board. Visualize the life you're building every single day. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step towards your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.